What is up, guys? This is your boy ETatted, real name Eric Gillen Jr. I am the greatest creator ever, baby, and yes, we game as well, bringing you some great content that we create on the daily, guys. As you can see in my background, guys, I am a complete demon that is 1 down, 2 down, all gone, guys. Okay, and I do this all the time. Call of Duty, and I love creating the content that I do create from what I love to do, and gaming is one of them, guys. So we'll make this a quick one, guys. Like and subscribe. What is up, people? So as you can see, my PC is custom created. Just a gorgeous PC, top of the line, over $2,000, and is worth every penny, guys. Okay, and guys, what I can do for you guys is recommend PCs just like it, guys. So check the link below, guys. The link is in the description, guys, and they are PCs that I highly recommend around the same price as mine and just as good as mine is. Okay, guys? Okay.